Good afternoon. Thank you for coming and being present at our demo this afternoon. Thank you for IFMA and Artexis to give us the chance to allow us to offer and to introduce to you a different communication technology. Communication technology which we describe as a B-Web technology, a business web technology. A business web technology that is only possible between stakeholders when there is trust, when there is transparency, and when we are prepared to share our information. You all know the internet, the World Wide Web. I'm sure that all of you have access in one or other way to the internet and its domains. You probably all also have intranet in your own organizations. A secure internet which is only accessible through a user and password procedure for only those stakeholders that are part of your organization. But how are you connected to your clients, to your other stakeholders, to your suppliers, to your external workforce? How and how far do you allow them to integrate into your core business process? B-Web technology is a platform that allows you to connect to whatever stakeholder you want to integrate in your business process, and for as far as you allow him or her to go. It allows you to manage your processes better, transparent for everybody. The evolution of data integration opens doors to better communication. You can see what happens when the world and people use open data and information platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, or other networks. People uprise, dictators fall, and only last Friday, I'm sure you've all heard on the news, LinkedIn went to the stock exchange and blew everything away. It actually reminded me of the years in 1999 when the ICT bubble exploded. The evolution of digital data integration opens doors to better communications, as I said before. When the economy and between companies, the digital data integrations, better communication creates, it also generates commercial opportunities. But not in the least, it creates the possibility to work better together and achieve higher levels of quality in the services we have to manage. To communicate, we all have heard or use already new techniques like Skype, MSN, video conferences. Always when new technology is created, some of these applications find their way in business core processes. We are convinced that B-Web technology, which we will show to you today, will appear more often in the future within partners to maximize their processes for the better of all the parties. To be successful, all stakeholders must have same values, as I said before. They must allow a certain amount of transparency. They have to be willing to share their information on this platform and to trust each other that that information will not be used for other means than to improve communication and to improve the quality of the services that we try to manage. This afternoon we will show you this platform and its advantages by means of an example. We will give you a demo. We have taken the example of the fast response team from Seris Security. This service is very well known to us. We are a market leader in this business, mainly due to the use of this Webtechnology. The demo will show that by integrating all the stakeholders, the communication, which of course is vital in our business security, is clear, transparent, fast and trustworthy. Everybody involved in the process can at all time intervene in the process, follow the process, communicate with all the stakeholders within the process. Afterwards, the gathered information in the Web model can be used by all the different stakeholders for different means. Customer could use it for insurance reasons, a guarding company could use it to improve their services or to invoice their services, and a contract manager can use it to measure its service level agreements on an objective way. We use this example because we, Seris Security, created on this platform this tool to better manage and service our stakeholders, our suppliers, but also our workforce in the field. You as facility manager, asset manager, you can also use this tool to manage your own different important business processes. You can manage your cleaning companies, you can send your technicians there where it's really necessary. You can receive and send instruction directly to one supplier based on information that you receive from another supplier, without too much intervention. These working relationships, we describe them as hostmanship. We all try to be transparent, share information, and trust each other to improve our core processes and generate a better quality for everybody. So the Web model is a new form of communication, of sharing information on a highly secured business network. You could actually see it as an intranet, but between different companies. The cluster or the business network brings different partners also together, companies that work for each other and, more importantly, work with each other. Each company, of course, holds its own independence, does not intervene in the other companies, but they try to generate together a higher capital than they could ever have on their own. Capital being quality, efficiency, cost control. Before we start the demo, I would like to introduce Frederick. Frederick is our business developer for the application. He will elaborate on the practical side of the Web model, and afterwards he will also be available for more explanations or more information on the technical side if you wish. Frederick, I give you the floor.